Thanks for dropping by AIU's virtual offices today for this brief presentation. Let's go into one of the classrooms here and start our presentation. Please follow me right this way. Welcome to our classroom. If you would please have a seat and make yourself comfortable as we begin this presentation on Unit 5. Unit 5, Individual Project.
In Week 5 IP, you are writing what is called a process essay. A process essay simply means a how-to essay. In an essay of this type, you are telling someone how to do something, how to make something, how to accomplish something, how to get something, how to fill in the blank. How to. The biggest pitfall that students often fall victim to is what I call the recipe trap. You want to keep in mind that an essay is not the same as a recipe. As you know, a recipe is a list of short instructions. Stir, shake, add salt, bake until done. A list of instructions, while at times very valuable, is not an essay. So whenever you're choosing your topic and planning your essay, make sure that you are choosing and planning an essay, not a recipe. And be sure to continue to follow the templates and formulas that you've practiced in all the other units of this course. Now, the first thing that means is that you are writing an APA essay. And here are the parts of an APA essay. You have learned in this course that an APA essay has a title page, and you've been shown how to format that. It has a body section, and you know that that body section consists of the following parts. A main title centered at the top of the page, then 5 paragraphs. Those 5 paragraphs, at least, are arranged in the following way. An introduction paragraph, and you are shown a particular formula to use for the introduction paragraph. And that formula was 2 to 5 sentences about anything, followed by or leading up to the thesis. For example, here's a possible thesis for a process or how-to essay. It is important to know the proper steps for preparing for a college exam in order to succeed. A process essay written on this topic is going to take you through, one by one, the proper steps of preparing for a college exam. So it comes as no surprise that your body paragraphs are divided into Step 1, Step 2, and Step 3. And that the leading words of each of those topic sentences for each of those body paragraphs would be something like the first step, in the second step, finally the third step, if the student wanted to add that there. And of course, you're going to continue with the rest of the formula for each of those body paragraphs. After you have stated the topic sentence, you then explain the topic sentence. You then support the topic sentence with 2 to 3 sentences. And then you conclude with a final statement. So there is an outline, and as usual, I have provided an APA template for you to use in instructor files. I'll bring up in model paper right now. Okay, there it is. Here's your model paper that you should be seeing, called 3 Steps to Buying a House by Yolanda Bendix. Not a real name, not a real person. Running head. These 2 words appear only on your title page to let the reader know what the running head for this manuscript will be. And it is 3 Keys to Buying a House. Page number 1 on the right-hand side. Then comes your info block, consisting of your full title, double space name, double space school affiliation. On the next page comes your abstract paragraph, which is a paragraph of 75 to 250 words. It is not indented, and it does not use personal pronouns, but it does provide a concise summary of the entire essay. It is the takeaway. Okay, on the 3rd page begins the body of your essay. Here's your title again. Then comes the introduction paragraph, 2 to 5 sentences that lead up to this thesis statement right here. The following paragraphs explain some basic and important steps you need to go through and know about before you buy a house. So clearly, This person is announcing exactly what this paper is going to be about. The first important step is, and then here's your main idea, ensuring you have a good credit score. That's stated. Then it's explained what a good credit score is, something 600 or above. Then it is supported and concluded. Same thing with the second body paragraph, a statement of the second main point. The second important step is to make sure you have acquired or saved money for a decent down payment. That is explained, that is supported, and then it is concluded. Third body paragraph, same formula. State, explain, support, conclude. In this case, the third main point is about the importance of investigating your lender before you sign on the dotted line. The third important step. Stated, explained, supported, 2 to 5 sentences of support, and then final sentence concluded. And then you wrap up the essay with a small final paragraph called your conclusion paragraph. Okay, there is the model Unit 5 IP.